Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud. What's the difference between virtual machines and containers? Let's find out in this quick video. One server, one application, expensive and inefficient. Traditionally, businesses ran one application per server, which wasted resources and increased costs. Virtual machines means multiple OS, one server. Virtual machines solve this by simulating multiple servers on one physical machine, each running its own operating system and applications. How VMs work. A hypervisor allocates hardware resources to create virtual environments, allowing multiple operating systems to run on one server. Drawbacks of VMs. VMs require a lot of disk space, RAM, and CPU power, making them slower to boot and expensive to maintain. Now let's talk about containers. Containers allowing multiple operating systems to run on one server. Containers package applications with everything they need to run but share the server's operating system, making them smaller and faster. How containers work? Unlike VMs, containers rely on a container engine like Docker to run apps efficiently using the host operating system. Advantages of containers. Containers boot in milliseconds, use fewer resources, and are easy to move across environments. Drawbacks of containers. Containers must match the server's operating system, and if the OS crashes, all containers go down. VMs versus containers. While VMs offer flexibility with OS choices, containers shine in speed and efficiency. Conclusion. Containers are the future of application deployment. With their speed, portability, and lightweight design, containers like Docker are shaping the future of modern computing. Visit our website now at AccuWeb.Cloud for top cloud hosting solutions. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe now for more update.